Whether you're a pro at rebuilding or repairing a car, or if you're dealing with repairs for the first time, you know how quickly costs can accumulate. From deployed airbags to replacing seatbelt pretensioners, airbag control module, and other safety devices such as rollover bars, battery pyrofuse, active headrests, and many others. That's why, since 2006, body shops, collision shops, and used car dealers have been trusting MyAirbags for dealership quality results without the markup, and why nearly 200,000 customers have used MyAirbags to save thousands of dollars. Instead of overspending on new parts and then having them programmed to your vehicle, MyAirbags will rebuild your original parts using all original manufacturer parts. These parts will be like new, and in some cases, better than new, because they will be already programmed to your vehicle, avoiding an extra trip to the dealership. Our service is fast and easy. Step 1, visit MyAirbags.com or use our mobile app. Step 2, add the part you need to the shopping cart and check out. Step 3, securely pack this part so it cannot be damaged in transit. We will give you a shipping label to send your parts to us to be rebuilt using OEM original manufacturer parts. Step 4, the process is quick and simple. We will send you a text message making sure you're updated every step of the way. It will take only 1 business day for us to repair your parts. Step 5, you pay after all repairs have been completed. When you reinstall this part, your vehicle will have a fresh start. Check out MyAirbags.com so you can get back on the road with total peace of mind.